Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this series. If you are and you haven't already, please subscribe down below. Greatly appreciate it, and thank you to everyone who's already subscribed. It definitely helps the channel grow, so thank you very much. So today we are going to do ant flower. This is going to be super fun and cute. I do love my flower. It's Zentangles. So this one is ant, A-U-N-T, and then flower. And this one was created by Dami Tang, who is a CZT, and apologies if I mispronounced your name. Let's get that in here. And this is episode 18. It's pretty exciting. I've done 18 of these and a couple of projects based off of them. All right, so what we're gonna do with this one is we'll start in the center and we're just gonna start with a simple circle. Try to get that in the middle as best I can. All right, so what we're gonna do from there, I think the easiest way to explain this is we're gonna do 4 petals, right? North, south, east, west. And you wanna kind of do like a teardrop almost shape. But we're gonna use the circle as our base here. And then we're gonna wanna do petals coming out from the middle. Again, just kind of that teardrop shape. Probably could have done this one a little bit longer. All right, and then next what we're gonna want to do is create these little quarter circles that connect each of our petals. Just kind of move your card around as you draw these. All right, and then off of these quarter circles that we were drawing, we're gonna go and we're gonna do some more of these petal shapes. And I tend to like to make mine a little bit bigger than the ones I did before, because it just gives it, I think, a nicer shape. And then we're gonna want to go ahead and let's do at least one more. I think for this pattern, I would suggest doing at least like 3 rows of petals. But again, you can, do as many or as few as you like. And then just finish off again with your circles. And there you have it. That is ant flower. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time.